Well, hello and welcome to Morbark's booth here at ConExpo. Thanks so much for joining us today. Morbark is actually kicking off our 60th anniversary here at the show. So my name is Amy and I'll be spending just 5 minutes talking to you about the Morbark Pronar Trommel screen right here. If you've ever worked with a trommel screen, you know they're pretty easy to use until you have to change the drum, and then your work is cut out for you. Well, I'll tell you about this machine that will change all that. How does changing the drum so you can screen a completely different type of material within 10 minutes sound to you? Pretty good, right? Yeah. So Morbark has partnered with Pronar to add the mobile trommel screen to our lineup. Quick background on Pronar. They're a company based in Poland. They've been around almost 30 years. They specialize in the manufacture and sale of machinery and equipment for agriculture, municipal services, and transportation. All right, so the machine behind me is the Morbark Pronar MPB 2055 track trommel screen, the second largest of 4 sizes of mobile trommel screens available. They include 1444, 1847, 2055, and the 2072. These machines are perfectly suited to work with a wide variety of materials, from soil and compost to municipal waste and biomass and even coal or aggregates. They're built with ease of use in mind and boast low fuel consumption and maintenance costs to enhance your bottom line. So let's start with the most important part of any screen, the drum. Our trommel screens have a unique chain and sprocket horizontal drum with spiral flighting material flow, which produces a truer, more consistent particle size, since the design reduces the chance of materials spearing through the drum screen. The simplicity of a chain drive allows the machine to run rain or shine 24/7, as a chain drive won't slip like rubber grip wheels can in rainy conditions. The drum on the 2055 is 18 feet long and 6 foot 6 3/4 inches in diameter, with an effective sitting surface of 35.64 square yards. The models range from the smallest, the 1444 with a drum size of 14 foot 5 1/4 inches long by 4 foot 7 inches in diameter, to the largest 2072 model with a drum size of 23 foot 7 1/2 inches long by 6 foot 6 3/4 inches in diameter. This particular machine is equipped with a 20 millimeter by 8 millimeter square hole drum. Replacement drums are available with round or square holes and in a variety of drum thicknesses to meet your specific needs. Now remember when I talked about the drum changing process earlier? This machine has wide opening doors which provide access to the drum for quick, easy changing. There's no need to remove any parts of the machine. Drums can be easily switched within 10 minutes simply by using a wheel loader equipped with forks. Now the trommel cleaning brush can be raised and lowered hydraulically. The hydraulic tipping grid removes large objects to prevent damage to the trommel drum and can be tilted 90 degrees if it's not needed. The in-feed hopper holds a capacity of 7.85 cubic yards, and the hopper has an internal belt to move material. Moving on to the discharge conveyors. These feature variable speed control and retract to the outside so they don't add to the height. And magnetic rollers may be mounted on the discharge conveyors to remove ferrous metals. The trommel screen has a 2-speed track undercarriage to allow free movement around the yard, so you can easily bring the screen to the material. Additionally, the trommel screen has a pull-out platform. The engine and hydraulic pump unit are mounted on the frame to give you easy access to the motor, hydraulic system, and hopper for maintenance. This model is equipped with a CAT Tier 4 interim 97 horsepower engine, but may also be ordered with an electric motor, which reduces the noise level and operating costs. There's also a centralized lubrication system, which is standard on these machines, and the control panel and wireless remote control allow you to easily set your desired operation parameters and control basic machine functions. All right, just a few notes. I do invite you to check out our other equipment and visit our parts team under the tent on the far side there. They can help you with any of your wear part needs for your Morbark or competitors' equipment, and we're also having a pallet sale. Now, if you haven't already done so, make sure you get your badge scanned. We'll enter you for a chance to win the Yeti cooler. We're drawing at 3 p.m. today. You do need to be present to win, but just a quick badge scan will enter you in that drawing. So come on back. 2 o'clock p.m. today also is happy hour. So there's lots of chances to come back and enjoy. And at 1 o'clock, our next presentation will be on the HT1042 shredder right over here. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, talk to the folks in the black t-shirts. Thank you. Have a great day.